Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see the title of Surrogate Model of Transaction Management for Mobile Cloud. Here, mobile cloud computing with handling devices had resulted in reducing the infrastructure and administrative costs and creating more efficient and flexible. However, transaction within a mobile cloud faces many restrictions, building a reliable and fault-tolerant transaction data management. For that, we propose a surrogate object model of transaction for mobile computing. Here, each mobile has sent the transaction request to the surrogate object located in the respective mobile support stations. Here, the surrogate object is nothing but a base station. The surrogate object should check that data cache or the transaction execution is reliable or not. If it is reliable means then the light FMB has been improved for the network. Reliability and fault tolerance are achieved by moving the transaction request to surrogate object, and network lifetime is maximized by moving a surrogate object to less load based station. We have proposed the approach to achieve the better reliability and fault tolerance and also the maximum of the network lifetime compared to the existing approach. Here the fault tolerance also be reduced due to the loss in communication. Now we are going to see the data flow of the process. First of all, we have to start the cloud first. After the cloud service started, the client will start the transmission to the particular cloud server. Here, the cloud server receives the transaction and check the status whether the client is failed or not. If it is failed means then the process will be moved to the circuit object. If it is not failed means then the transaction report will be get transferred to the particular client. After that, if it is failed means then the surrogate object will take a request from the client. After that, he will find the neighbor surrogate for that. Here we are finding for the neighbor surrogate is to transfer the particular data to the neighbor surrogate. After that, the neighbor surrogate has an own client, and then the data will be transferred to the mobile node. After the data is transferred, check whether the failure client will be in a Bluetooth activated state. If it is the Bluetooth is activated means then data will be transferred to the particular client through the Bluetooth. If it is not means wait for the status update to the Bluetooth gets on. After the data transfer, the mobile cloud will be get the result and the transaction will be stopped. This is our whole flow for the data process. We are going to see the demo of the process. First of all, we have to start the server first. Here, this is the cloud server which has to listen the every client activities. Here, this is our port number, so IP address, and this is our port number. Then click start server. Then the message will be shown like that the server is listening. After the server is listening, you have to minimize it and go to the mobile client one and click run file. Then enter the mobile client identity is 97227 and click the login. Then the surrogate object will be automatically allocated to the particular clients based on the surrogate free of the surrogate object. The object will be allocated to that. If SG1 is free means then SG1 is allocated to the particular client. If SG2 is free means then SG2 is allocated to the particular client server. For the basis of less usage, the circuit object will be allocated. After that, you have to run the MC2 and enter the identity same as set for the client 1. Then click login. Then here the circuit object 2 is free now. Then the circuit object 2 is selected to the MC2. Here the two clients are there. First of all, you have to for the transaction you have to click the transaction and enter the account type. Before you have to make the transaction, activate the Bluetooth, because the Bluetooth is activated based on the Bluetooth itself. The data will be transacted. After that, click the transaction button. Here, this is our amount. Here we are going to deposit the amount. Then here I am going to enter the choose the deposit amount. Then the data will be not displayed here because of the data will be lost here. After that, you are going to click the surrogate object. Then in the circuit object get the detail of the particular process. For that, then click update client. Here the two uses is updated. MC1 is MC1 and the circuit name object is SG1 and MSS is mobile station 1 and name is star and ID is this and online is going to is went for offline. Then the Bluetooth is in action set. Then message to whom this is not get detail. And then the next step the circuit object wants to get the detail of the particular client. For that we are going to enter the detail every detail of the particular client. This is for have to recover the failure from the particular thing. Then you have to go to the mobile client 2 and click transaction as the same as well as for the client 1. Then activate the Bluetooth and click transaction. Here I'm going to also deposit the amount of 2000. Then click deposit. Here the message will not be displayed. After that you're going to the mobile client 1 and click get list. Here the neighbor circuit object will be gotten from the MSS1. Here the MSS1 plays a major role in a circuit object. Then click it and click activate circuit. Then the message will be shown like this: SG2 is now listening. After that go to the mobile circuit 2 and click the from neighbor. After here clicking this receive info here and go to the mobile circuit 1 and click the button send information. Then the message will be shown like this: the information got it. After sending that the message will be got here. Here the message shows that the who is the transaction namer and which is the circuit object we get the data from and what is the account number for it, what is the transaction they made. Here the existing transaction is 16,000 and we have imported the 4,000 in 5,000 in account. Then the detail will be 21,000. After that you are going to send the data to the MC2. Then click the data to MC2. Then information will be passed. This message shown and go to the MC2. Then get the search. Go to the Bluetooth and click the search device. Here the MC1 is on at the SG1. Here the SG1 is the circuit object and MC1 is the mobile client. After that click the receive data here. After sending the information to the MC2 you have to move to the MC2 and click the tag from circuit. After clicking it click the receive circuit data. Here the data will be received from the particular MC2 circuit object and the data will be stored here and the message will be returned from the file it is received. Then you have to send the data via Bluetooth. For that you have to click the send via Bluetooth. After that you are going to mobile client 1 and click Bluetooth and search device. Here the Bluetooth 1 is the one status is on as well as the Bluetooth 2 status is also on state. For that we are going to click the search device. Here the MC2 at SG2. Here the MC2 is a mobile connected to which is a neighbor of the MC1 and its circuit object is SG2. And then click the receive data. Then the data will be received here. Here the star is the name of the user and this is the account number of the user and the data will be updated here. Here we are going to search the data for every client. Here we are going to discuss about the how the process will be recovered from the failure and what are the information got from the failure of the resources or failure of the network. Here going to reference button is used to reference the connection and get circuit IP is used to get the IP of the particular circuit object for the transaction. Thanks for watching this video.